How to activate Novo Banco debit card quick tutorial. So everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate Novo Banco debit card in a quick tutorial. So first of all, you will need a taxpayer number and phone number. Like, you should have your personal data updated in the bank, and you should have your mobile phone with the number associated with your personal data in the bank to validate authentication via SMS. And after that, after validation the operation with the SMS, you must define the access pin. The authentication card login is received later at the address. And from the mobile app, you have to go to the account to activate, and from the Novo website, log in and select debit cards from the side menu to activate Novo virtual card. Follow the same instructions, then continue and select activate virtual card. Once you have created a virtual card, it does not need to activate it and is immediately ready for use. So just like any other debit card, before using your Novo physical or virtual card, you want to put some funds into your account. Instant funding via PayPal or Venmo is just one option. So be sure to check out the other popular methods to add funds to your Novo account. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.